like all of these USB multi-adapter things I need to take a look at, and to be honest with you, it doesn't feel like a sturdy bit of kit, but it's been passed to me, the person who bought it, because I'm having things handed to me. Do you want to have a look at this? It's broken. The light flashes, the computer says the thing in the USB has malfunctioned, and it just goes a bit scatty and then goes off. But like I say, it doesn't feel particularly top notch, but hey ho, I said we'd take a look. I did say, why? How comes you didn't send it back? But it was one of them ones where you clicked for a refund and they said don't bother sending it back, so they obviously think a lot of that. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at this. So let's have a look around. So you get your 4 USB, standard USB sockets, and then your USB micro charging port there. A lot of hot glue. Ooh, look what we got here. So black wires off. This ground. We got this violet wire. Is any others off? It's been cut there, that one, isn't it? Let's put an extra light on here. Oh, it's like shred. I don't know if it's just been forced in at manufacture, whacked a load of hot glue over it, and hoped for the best. Thing is, now I've got to try and figure out where these wires go. Well, we might have a hope of process of elimination here, because where's my tweezers? So we've still got a bit of purple wire here. So where's that going? Violet, whatever you want to call it. So let's go into a 3. So ground, that's obviously going to be that bare-ended one. So process of elimination. Give me this black one. Let's get this glue off a minute. So it's going to be here. There's nothing there, look. Okay. Can't wait for my new camera arm to show up, because this little bounce it does is doing my Sweden. Right. Let's get that soldered up. That solder's terrible. Proper cheap crap on here. It's the black one back on. So we've got two next to each other. If I can get that on there now. Thought. Oof, it's nice. I'm happy with that. It's a tiny little violet, wire, purple, violet, whatever you want to call it. It's the upper end there. I'd get some solder in there, that'd be lush. Yes! Go on an absolute guess on the length, yeah? And it's too long. Needs to be shorter again. Excellent. Is this really worth all this hassle? Probably not, but bit of fun in it. Play devil's advocate here. Just put a bit more solder on it. And now it's come off. I knew that was going to happen. Should have known. Should have known, you silly boy. Nope. Nope. Lovely. Oh, it just come off. Oh, the pads come off. Oh, no. Oh, can you Adam and Eve it? So this one was A3, wasn't it? So this is A3 here. Once again, I'm going to check that I didn't touch it. Good. So there we are. It is fixed. Was it worth doing? Probably not. But just goes to show things can be fixed, can't they? So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Until the next time. Don't forget me as well. He's always leaving me out. It's not on.